Welcome to Diecasting News. Today, we're breaking down what a customer's factory reset really means for your plant's operations and, its profitability. Okay, let's dive into this. We'll start with a big picture, connect it right down to the shop floor, break down the key technical drivers, and then we'll end with a really clear action plan. All right, let's get into our first section and see exactly how this whole thing builds. And this right here is the crucial point for every single supplier. When your customer has an internal shift like this, it directly impacts your business. It changes everything about how you have to plan for capacity, for tooling, and for scrap control. So let's use the Rane Group as a recent example. Their laser focus on deleveraging, it signals way sharper control on their working capital and plant efficiency. And that goes for their entire supply chain. Now, what's really interesting is how these high-level financial goals, well, they translate directly into technical demands right there on your factory floor. And this just illustrates that connection perfectly. A boardroom that's focused on reducing debt, that means your process has to be absolutely tight. We're talking zero tolerance for rejects, for rework, or for any delivery misses. So, when customers start demanding better margins, what they're really asking you to do is master three very specific technical levers in your die casting process. The first, and honestly the most critical lever, is yield. It's not just about making parts, it's about making good parts the very first time. And these are the usual suspects, the common culprits that just kill your yield. Controlling them is now a financial imperative. It's not just a quality task anymore. Second is cycle time. Efficiency here is tied directly to how well you manage all of your process variables. Mastering these elements is absolutely essential for meeting the faster, more efficient production rates that your customer now requires. Finally, there's downtime, and every single minute your machine isn't running, well, that's a direct hit to the margins your customer is trying so hard to improve. These operational issues, they're no longer just technical problems. In this new environment, they are serious business risks. This whole shift means you absolutely need to be ready for a new level of scrutiny. Your customers are going to move way beyond simply asking for a part price. They are going to dig into your process capability to make sure you can deliver predictable quality and predictable cost. So, the crucial point here is that you can get ahead of these demands with a really focused shop floor strategy. Here are two tangible actions you can take. First, know exactly where your scrap is coming from and fix the biggest problems first. Second, prove your process is stable and it's not subject to that random drift. Now, regarding the specific impact on India, no details were actually mentioned in the source reports for this update. So, to recap, when your customers start focusing on debt and margins, die casters have to respond with data-driven proof of efficiency and stability. That's how you win and keep business. We'll leave you with this question to consider for your own operations. For daily die casting updates just like this, consider subscribing. This is Emily Carter, and you're watching Die Casting News.